Now, I don't want to be one of those guys that are going to tell you to set up a YouTube channel without giving you a clear strategy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing tips on how to find topics to make videos on. Coming up. So when it comes to making YouTube videos, it's very tempting to just create a video of anything that you like and hope that people might even find it and watch it. But the thing is, YouTube is actually a search engine. So chances of people finding your videos are close to zero because people are actually searching for specific keywords on YouTube to find content to watch. But of course, sometimes you can have, videos pop up on your recommended page or on your home YouTube page, but chances of your video showing up there is very, very slim, unless you're someone like Casey Neistat who has a large following and pretty much he can create any topic, and because he has that following, a lot of people will watch it and even share it. But if you're just getting started, it's a bit tough. So let me show you what I do to choose or to find topics of videos to create. So I use a tool called Tubebuddy. So what I do is, let's say for example here, I want to create a video on how to make a website. So what I do is I search here how to make a website. So this gives me an idea of how competitive this keyword is. So you can see here, after installing Tubebuddy, in fact, I will add a link in the video description below so you can take a quick look at Tubebuddy. Fantastic tool. So here you can see we have this scale here that shows me my search volume, it shows me my competition, and also overall. So what I normally do is I click here where it says click here for weighted. Okay, so this gives me a much better view of what is going on. So as you can see, I have a scale here that's giving me an idea of how my channel would compete with this keyword. So straight away, it's telling me, you know what, that's not a good one to go with. Even though if we take a look here, the search volume is excellent. So on the side here, it gives you other ideas of related topics that you can write about. So let me take a look at how to make a website to sell things. So if I go into this one here, again, it's very competitive. Oh, in fact, it's not competitive, but it's actually poor, because if you see here, the search volume is very low, the competition is fair, and optimization strength is very good. Now, here's the thing. So if you're just starting off and you're pretty new, your channel is not that popular yet, what you want to do is to look for topics that have a balance between the search volume and also the optimization strength. The reason why you want to do that is because when you create topics that have no one searching for them, basically you're wasting your time. And at the same time, if you try to create topics where your competition is very high, you're going to be buried as well. So you have to strike a balance. So in this example, let's continue and see if we can come up with something that we can do a video for. So again, how to create a website to sell things on your phone. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, again, that is poor. So let's try how to make a website. Maybe let's try with Divi, see what happens. So as you can see, this is actually a long process. It actually takes time to come up with a list of topics to do the videos for. And this is something that I wish I had learned a long time ago before I started creating these YouTube videos. Because as you can see on my channel, I've created so many videos, but a lot of them don't rank very well. So I wish I'd known this tool way before then. So let's take a look here now, how to make a website with Divi. So here it's telling me it's good. The search volume is in the poor area. So this one here is, again, I may go with this because the score is 46 out of 100. But let's see if we add something here, Divi theme, and see if we can get a different variation of this. So what I'm looking for here is a keyword that's going to work and give me a better search volume here. So let's see, Divi theme builder. Will that change? I think it's still going to be the same. Okay, so let's try 2020. So as you can see, this is not even a good tip to go with, a good title for a video to go with. So it's it's very tough. But you know what? I chose this intentionally because the how to make a website market is very, 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 very competitive. So how to make a, let's see now. Now there's a video that I made recently, how to make a website for a business. Let's see what that one looks like. See, that's not even good, but the search volume is good, but the competition is very high. So over here, we also have more topics that we could go with. So let's try here, how to make a website for photography business. So that's more niche. So let's see. Here we go. So how to make a website for photography business. That's looking much, much better. So you can see here, the search volume here is fair, and the competition here is very good. The optimization strength is fantastic. So here's an example of how you choose topics of the videos you need to make. So this here is fantastic because what I will do from this moment on now is to use a tool like Trello or even a spreadsheet. Make a list of all the videos that you want to make which have a very good rating, and once you have that list of videos, it makes it easier for you now to go in and start creating these videos. So Tubebuddy is the tool that I use. In fact, you know what? How to make a website for photographers. I'm going to be making this tutorial because, yeah, it has a decent search volume, and also if we take a look here, the competition is good and the optimization strength is fantastic as well. So I will be definitely making a tutorial on how to make a website for photographers. So what are your tips on how to look for topics to create videos for? Do you use a service like Tubebuddy, or share with me any other tips that you may have so that we can all benefit from the community? All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.